All right. The knee protection. Okay. Elbow and forearm protection. Armor itself. Okay. Can you ask any one of the rider to wear this? And in the meantime, show me the boots. Okay. Kidney belt is already there in the armor, right? Gloves. Okay. What sort of underclothing are you going to use? Okay. Then hydration pack. Okay. Ready? Please go for the closer look. Show me 360. Okay. No, that's not required. And what is the boot size? Is it again different for every driver, or the same boot can be worn by everyone? Okay, so all of them are going to have these separate boots for themselves, right? Okay. Then let's go to the chassis part then. About the material. What material have you used? 4130. How much is the wheelbase? One sec. Yes, please go ahead. Yes, it is. 42 point how much? 42.5. Is it? Okay. And track width? Both the track widths are same or different? Okay. First measure the larger and then smaller. How much is it front? 950. Okay. And rear? 920. Okay. What are the maximum vehicle dimensions? Overall length and overall width? 44 inch. Can you tell it in mm? So 1120 you are saying? 1120 mm. And length? Mm? 1650 mm. All right. How much is the static ground clearance? And ask any of the riders to sit and then measure the ground clearance. Okay. Yes. Can you read it out? How much is it? Okay. Now ask the rider to board. Okay. Please tell it in mm. 290 mm. Okay. And please show me the closer view of the foot rest and foot protection as the driver is on the board. Okay. The other side, front and rear toe points. Okay. Rear I can see. All right. Okay. Now two people in the front just jump over the suspension for a couple of times. Any one would be sufficient. Yes. Fine. In the rear. Okay. Now turn the steering wheel to both the sides. Okay. Which engine is it? Same leaf fan engine? Okay. Fuel tank. Does it have any ventilation? Obviously, it would be having. Okay. And exhaust. Okay. Go to the rear. Okay. And how much time would you take to just attach the extension for mud walker? 20 minutes. Okay. All right. Now, perform the kill switch demonstration. Crank up the engine and show if both the kill switches are working. Okay. The other one. Done. Rear kill switch. Okay. Okay. Engine is giving this smoke. Is it usual, normal, or like there is some issue going on? Okay. Is there any requirement of catch can for your use? Where is it? Just hang on a moment, please. I'm confused. I'm a little confused. Which one is the catch can you're telling? Okay, that is the collection tray, you can say. Okay. Hmm. Okay, so catch can is the bottom one. Ha, this is known as catch can only. What material is it for the catch can? Okay, you have welded it, right? What is the capacity of this catch can? 1 liter. All right. Please hold on a moment, huh? कुछ काम तो नहीं था? नहीं तो फैन चला लो आराम से. नहीं नहीं बैठो बैठो बैठो. Okay, then seat. How do you lock the seat? Okay, all right. Then brake over travel switch. Okay. Lock nuts must be all over the vehicle, right? Rear view mirrors and fire extinguisher. Okay. And quad number stickers. Okay. All right. Front. Do you have any idea of the total weight of vehicle? Around 155 kg. And about the like individual wheel weight. Okay. All right. Any innovation? Okay. CAE evaluations, do you want to participate in? Name of the person leading the inspection now? HARISH, right? All right. Congratulations, guys. Your technical inspection for the in-house TI is okay. and you can proceed to testing the vehicle and submit the rest of the documentation required for testing report on the deadline. All right, team. Thank you so much. All the best for the competition. Yes, 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 of course.